Hello, I'd like to welcome you to a series of videos by Tradespark.com, the social network for global trade. We're going to be going in depth to China manufacturing facilities to see how they're producing the products that we see around the world today. So remember, join Tradespark.com to find the best China manufacturers.
滚动部件的加工车间，像我们看到的这个就是丝钢，它的作用是在一个像这种机器需要有转动， 然后它有一个比如说刀，切割或者说是磨打磨，然后有一个原料放进去以后，它需要移动。那么你的打磨的那个磨头或者刀片就装在这个丝钢上面，它通过转动来后使得它的刀片或者磨头进行移动。那么这个对精密的要求很高，因为有的时候它的移动的距离都很小，小到一根几分之几头帕丝。
哦，哇！
德国产的这个磨床，它是磨那个丝钢丝钢的导层。它里面轨道磨这个轨道的。
How much did you spend on machinery to create your products?
500-600万吧。
500-600万美金。
人民币。
Okay.
500-600万人民币。
So this is almost $1 million US for this particular machine. And right in front of us is actually a machine from Germany, from a company called Lindner.
Right? Lindner 是这个机器叫 Lindner， 它是磨的。
Yeah, so this machinery is from Lindner Company in Germany, and to import this machinery into China is actually quite a capital-intensive investment.
Yeah. 它就是通过那个磨头来磨这个导轨，这个导层。需要精密，很精密的去磨它，把它磨平，而且保证每一个轨道都是一样，它的直径都是一样的。
Okay, we're here in the production room, and we're going to look at some of the workers that are turning out some of these, call them some components for the fertilizer machinery.
对。磨里边的这个导轨，磨里边这个导层。
Okay, so they're grinding these the insides of these custom-made and custom-designed parts for the fertilizer machinery. So even these machines are hundreds of thousands of dollars, and we're sitting here in a room with 9 or 10 of these machines. So this is a milling machine, or the outside of a milling machine, right?
For the 采矿用的。
Okay.
For 磷矿 phosphate rock.
Okay, for rock.
Yeah, for rock.
Right?
Yeah.
To grind the rock.
Grind rock, becoming
smaller.
To powder.
Okay.
粉末，很细的粉末。
Okay, so the big rocks get ground into a very, very fine dust, you can say. And there's, on the end of this is actually a large motor that will continuously turn this mill. 这个东西，比如说你们先帮你的客户设计好，对不对？然后你把它做出来，对不对？但是呢，你们在这个厂是不是要先把它拼起来，确认所有的东西已经是 OK 了，对不对？然后你这个还要就是 break down， 对吧？然后还要取口到他们那边吗？还是怎么做？
对，切割有的很大的就必须得切割，像这种做好的大的就必须得分开。它有连接点的，我们也考虑到这个安装和运输的问题。
对，
我们就把它用螺丝连接起来。然后接触面，它这两个的接触面要非常的平整。
对。
然后就需要它来做。
Okay, so this right here actually needs to be ground down so that it's very even, right? And you need a machine to be able to do that.
这个是自动切割机，它会根据不同的形状去切割，把不同的数值输入到电脑里面去，然后进行切割。这样的话，提高速度，就比人工切割的速度要快很多。它有很多头，可能一起操作，可能有4、5个头一起操作，4、5个切割点一起切割。
Okay, so this is a cutting machine.
Yes.
Actually, the designs for the cuts are loaded into a computer, and then those different cuts, there could be many different types of cuts, are then activated, and the machine goes out and actually cuts the metal or the steel. So this is actually sanding down the sides or shaving down the sides of this particular piece to make it smoother. Is that correct?
Yes, 就是把切割，把里边的多余的部分切除，然后根据尺寸把外表面和内表面抛平。
And how close do you need to make this to the design? I mean, it's got to be very, very close to the design, right? Like if you're off by like 2 or 3 centimeters, does that cause a problem?
应该是微米，多少微米。我们会把大型仪器搬到新厂房。有机会我们到时候可以去看一下，我们新厂区很大。
You have a new factory that's coming online pretty soon.
今年完工并投产。
Okay. Thanks for watching today's video of China's best manufacturers, and remember to join us at www.tradespark.com, the social network for global trade.